Today's house we love is in the southernmost part of Puglia, which is the boot heel of Italy. It's less than 20 kilometres to several different coastal towns and beaches, and would make a wonderful base to explore all that this region has to offer. There are 3 large bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, as well as a roof terrace and basement cellar, which was previously used as an underground oil mill. Most of the ceilings are star-vaulted or high domes, giving the home its unique character and spacious feel. This gorgeous 215 square metre home is in great condition and is on the market for just €89,000. A few years ago, this lovely historic town was paying people to take up residency. So this is definitely something you might want to ask the realtor about, if you're seriously interested. We'll be featuring 15 more historic centre homes in this week's collection, which is sent to members on Sunday. More information, along with a link to the original listing, and Realtor's contact information for this home can be found in the video notes below. Thanks to everyone for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing.